Hello everyone, it is Nails by Loretta here, and I am coming to you guys today because I stopped at my local Roses discount store, and guys, you are not going to believe what I found. This beautiful vintage wall shelf. I instantly fell in love with this shelf and knew that I could utilize it in the nail studio. The price was only $10.99, so I picked up one for me, and then I picked up another one for a friend. It was so easy to install. You didn't have to put anything together. You just simply took it out of the box. I tapped the nail into the wall and hung the shelf right up on the wall. It was easy peasy, guys. No work at all. And then what I did was I placed some of my iGel Beauty gel polishes as well as traditional polishes, the duo set that I purchased recently. I placed them up on that wall shelf, guys, and it just looks beautiful. It's not too big, it's not too bulky. It is perfect, and I have fallen in love with these iGel Beauty gel polishes as well as the traditional polishes, guys. So if you guys aren't familiar with iGel Beauty, I'll leave their link to their website below. They always have amazing sales, so you might want to take advantage of that as well. But not only did I add the wall shelf to my nail studio, over the summer I picked up these curtain lights from Aldi, and I finally hung them up in the nail studio, and here's what they look like, guys. I have so many other items that I have added to the nail studio, and I can't wait to give you guys an updated tour of my nail studio. So guys, this concludes this video, and I just want to say thank you for watching. Please like, comment, and consider subscribing to my channel, and I'll see you all in the next video. Bye.